In an effort to fight against the growing number of HIV cases in the country, the Ministry of Health is looking into establishing a specialized unit to address HIV cases. Sexual and reproductive health consultant Dr. Jason Mitchell says Fiji is not only fighting against HIV but other serious health issues as well. Litia Rambuatukunia with the details.
Sexual and reproductive health consultant Dr. Jason Mitchell says not only are we having an outbreak in HIV, but there is an increase in other related cases in the country that needs attention.
We have other issues that need to be attended to as well, which is the high rates of STIs in our population. STI rates that are untreated means that it's easy for people to become infected with HIV. And as a result of HIV, TB numbers are increasing, which many of you may have heard from the media releases from last week. This means that everyone in the country has a responsibility to be concerned about HIV, TB, and also STIs.
He states knowledge and skills alone cannot tackle these issues, but collaborative efforts of key stakeholders and the public is needed.
I've returned to Fiji to find the country in quite a very different state to which I left it. Fiji has quickly progressed from a very low prevalence epidemic to one that is concentrated, and now it is heading towards a generalized epidemic. We haven't reached there yet, but we're at the door of a generalized epidemic, which means that our response through the ministry needs to be stepped up. It needs to be an urgent response.
Minister for Health and Medical Services, Dr. Ratu Atonio Lalambalabu, adds the ministry will be introducing operational changes within the ministry's Family Health Division to establish a HIV SRH unit that will drive a coordinated whole-of-government response of this public health emergency.
Since HIV is a very pressing issue here in Fiji, we thought that it's best that it is a standalone program, so that it can receive the support that it can. So it will function by prioritizing its efforts, a targeted effort in terms of what it wants to do.
The Ministry of Health and Medical Services in Fiji is actively responding to the rising number of HIV cases with a focus of prevention, testing, treatment, and strengthening healthcare system. Litia Rambuatukunia, Fiji One News.